Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Sally Beauty Supply Store credit card. So if you guys don't know, they already have a credit card. I did a review previously about this credit card, but I want to do another review because they have another one for professionals. So for people that actually like do hair, call me because I need my hair done. But for people that actually do hair, seriously though, they have a credit card for you guys for professionals that you guys can definitely check out. So I figure I'll do just one for just the Sally Beauty Supply Store, and then I had one for the professionals that I want to go over too, so you guys can try to see if you can get that one. Now this one is through Community Bank, so this one is going to pull your Equifax credit report sometimes too. Checks they may pull your Experian. Community is kind of strange like that, but most times it is going to be your Equifax credit report that they're pulling. They're looking at your Equifax credit score. They don't Community Bank to me is you have a great chance of getting this credit card. Just make sure your credit score is over a 620. So that's the thing. Try to make sure your credit score is over a 620 and then go ahead and apply for it. But let's go ahead and check out this credit card. So here is the website here. So this is sallybeauty.com website, and they have the credit card here. So this is the Sally Beauty Rewards credit card, you guys. You guys are going to get $20 off of your purchase of $50 or more. The thing is, you have to make sure that you get your approval, like the day that you get your approval, you try to get your use your discount, because it's going to be immediately at the time you open your account. You can't just use that later on. It's like right when you open your account. And if you open your account today, try to go in the same day to use that. If it's late at night, just do it in the morning. Just, like literally do it in the morning, or try to see if they can ship things to you, because you're not going to be able to get that $20 off of your purchase of $50 or more. You have to do it at the time of opening your account. So keep that in mind. And you guys are going to earn points. You guys are going to earn even more points since you guys are going to actually have this credit card. Like I said too, they're going to pull your Equifax credit report, and it's very similar to like some of the other credit cards out there. Only difference is they're going to give you a 20% off as a welcome bonus. You guys are going to earn points, but the points are going to be for the Sally Beauty store. And then too, you guys are going to get a bonus gift for birthday month, $10 bonus gift. Now this is the one I want to talk to you guys about, this pro. So I want us to go over that. But if you guys have any additional questions about this Sally Beauty Supply credit card, I don't know why I keep calling it beauty supply. Can I call it beauty supply? I'm just used to saying like a beauty supply store. But if you guys have any questions, definitely call them, ask them the questions that you have, or you can look right here with the frequently asked questions. They have some that you can check. Look, they have 3 of them here that you guys can check out. Let's click right here to see their pro. So this is their pro card. It's only for professionals, you guys. So they're saying you're a Sally Beauty Pro, start acting like one. So this credit card is only for professionals. If you are not a professional, you cannot get this card. You guys are going to get the same thing, $20 off of your purchase of $50 or more. You have to redeem it as soon as you get approved for this credit card. Do not wait. You guys are also going to earn that 2.5 points for every dollar you spend at the beauty supply store. This one is a store card. It's not like a Visa or MasterCard. If it was, you would have seen like a logo right here, but it's not one. So you guys are going to get those rewards for spending money there. Now you can shop at 2 stores for it. So you can see, you can get Cosmo, you can shop at Cosmo, or you can shop at at Sally, and you guys can get um be able to use that card. And 2, you're going to receive 3% off when you use your card at Cosmo. Enjoy 20% off of your next purchase when you use it at Sally's. You guys are going to get the 2.5 points only when you're using at Sally's. You're not going to get that at Cosmo. Also, 10% off of your next purchase of $50 or more. It's going to be at Cosmo. Free shipping on your cart orders. No minimum, US only. That is like amazing. Like there's gonna be no minimum. That is going to be for Sally Beauty. Just make sure that you're using your actual Sally Beauty Spot credit card. And then too, some more features too. Like if you guys were to spend over $150, then you get free shipping at the Cosmo. $10 bonus, you can get that for both if you at Sally, or if you're going to be at Costco, you get that $10 bonus for an anniversary, and also the anniversary if you open your account, also for your birthday. And you'll see too, if you spend $4,000 in a year, you'll automatically be elevated to their platinum one. So they have another tier that you guys will be able to go up. Now, this one is only for pros. So if you're not a pro, they're telling you, hey, go your butt back to the regular Sally Beauty Supply credit card, the Sally Beauty Rewards card. And if you guys want to apply, you can just click right here and apply for that credit card. Let me see if there's any personal information that's going to be showing, because I could actually show you guys their website. So yeah, you got to log in with your account first. And as soon as you log in with your account, then you guys will be able to complete that application. Okay, so if you don't have a professional account, you got to make sure that you go to your nearest store and then show your professional license, your business license, or student ID, and set up your Sally Beauty Rewards account. And then as soon as you do that, you'll be able to apply for that business account. But you have to make sure that you guys have an account with Sally Beauty first. Then you guys can go ahead and apply for the credit card. So understand that. I hope that you guys are going to be able to get approved for these credit cards. Don't forget, it's community bank, you guys. So Alta is another option. If you guys want to do this type of shopping, you guys can go to Alta. They Alta Beauty, they have a credit card there. It's with community bank also, I believe. So it's going to pull your Equifax or Experian credit report. I actually heard somebody said they was able to do the shopping cart trick with them too. So double check and see if you're able to get it to work. Put between $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart and try to check out and put your information in. It's on your Equifax credit report. Just making sure that your address and your name and stuff match. And you guys probably be able to get that shopping cart trick to work for them. Hopefully you are. If you guys are having a hard time just getting approved for credit cards, definitely check out my 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. I have been doing my meetups and I've been getting some great results with you guys. I'm just very excited about this. I plan on just coasting this out this year. This is my focus right now, just making sure I help people individually more. In groups though, because I get more discouraged when I do more one-on-one and people not doing what they need to do. They're not available for a call, or their reports are not available. When I do it in a group, I can record my screen, look at your credit reports, tell you, hey, this is what you have to do now. And we're aiming towards getting your credit score increase. And once your credit score get increased, at that time, you can apply for the car you want. You can apply for the house that you want. You can get the credit cards, the loans you want. But the key is just to increase your credit score. And the key is also to increase it as fast as we possibly can. So definitely make sure you guys click that link down below to join my membership. If you cannot afford to be in my membership, you guys can still watch my presentation that I put together, 60 points in 60 days. You can see it's a link that says 60 points in 60 days. It's an hour-long presentation where I show you exactly what you need to do. You can just do it on your own. You just won't have that accountability. You won't have anybody helping you. But I actually give you a free dispute letter to remove accounts from your credit reports, another dispute letter to remove those inquiries, and then another letter that you can send to the collection companies to stop them from sending you letters in the mail, and also to have them verify and validate that that debt is actually yours. So definitely check it out. Hopefully this video was helpful, but I'll see you guys in the next video.